Hi everyone, and welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cherry blossom inspired nail art. So stay tuned if you want to learn how. These are the things that we will need for our nail art today. The first thing is the Sally Hansen Double Duty base and top coat. Then we have the Fresh Paint nail polish in Pistachio color. Our next polish is the China Glaze White Out color 545. Then we have a Sally Hansen Hard as Nails in the color Heart of Stone number 230. We have another China Glaze in Street Chic, and that's number 997. Then we have a Bundle Monster brush, and we have a Bundle Monster dotting tool. I ended up using 2 dotting tools in this video. And then we also have some toothpicks that you will need. As always, our first step is going to be painting on our base coat. Your next step is going to be painting on the base color, and I did 3 coats of this color to make it nice and opaque. Once you have a nice opaque background, you are going to get your Street Chic China polish. I would suggest putting this brown color onto another surface. I just use Saran Wrap, and it's much easier to dip your brush into the paint from there instead of from the bottle. Then we are going to start making our branches. I chose a starting point for each of my branches, and I made 2 thick branches that came out from the starting point, and then made a few smaller branches coming off of that. I also chose to have a different starting point on each nail, so I did each of the 4 corners and then right from the middle on my last nail. Now it's time to paint your flowers. So you are going to do the exact same thing that you did with the brown polish with the white and the pink. I put it right on Saran Wrap so that it was easier to get my dotting tools in and out instead of going back and forth to the bottle all the time. It just really speeds up the process. Then you're going to get out a dotting tool. I got one for each color, so I didn't have to keep cleaning them off in between, but I did keep a paper towel nearby in case I did need to wipe it off. And you are going to make a flower. Typically, I do flowers in 5 or 6 dots in a circle, and you leave a space in the middle. In that space, you are going to put 1 dot of the white. Once that step is done, you need to pick up your toothpick, and then you go into each of the dots and drag towards the middle. And you kind of just mix up your colors, and you just mix them until you like how it looks. So you try to keep more of the white in the middle, and you try to drag from the corners down to the middle. My suggestion is to do no more than 2 flowers at once, because then your nail polish starts to dry and it gets a little bit hard to mix it up. You also want to keep in mind that you do want to add new polish when it starts to dry, and you want to wipe off your dotting tools so that they don't get too stuck with old nail polish, because if they get stringy, things get a little bit complicated. And I'll show you what to do if it does get too stringy and messes up your nails. So I'm pulling you up close to show you that I got some white in that brown polish on the branch because my nail polish started to dry and got a little bit stringy. So I'll show you how to fix that. You're just going to get out your brown polish again. You're gonna put a little bit on your Saran Wrap, put your toothpick right into it, and then fill in that space that you accidentally made white, or you might have done pink by accident, and then it's all fixed. You can also do this strategy to fill in any spaces that you kind of don't like. So if you can see the brown branch behind the flower and you don't like it, you can go in with some extra white or pink and fix it like that. Or if you want more white after you mixed it, you can add in more white and just keep going back and forth with the toothpick until it looks the way that you like it. Now that all of your flowers are painted, your final step is going to be putting on a top coat. And there you have the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed my nail art tutorial. If you did, please go down and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from me, you can click subscribe here, and you can also check out some of my other videos. Those are going to be listed here for you. Thanks for stopping in. Bye!